to my channel. So I already did the intro for this video, but I did not like it, so I am redoing it now. In this video you'll see me attempting to install some crochet locks. Keyword attempting. I did not know what I was doing, but let me tell you, it was an experience. Will I ever do it again? Maybe, maybe not. Anyways, I just hope that you guys enjoy this video. I feel like every time I put my hands in my hair keeps falling out. I don't know if that's normal. Like literally every single time. Okay, so now I'm gonna part my hair into the sections. As I said, I'm gonna be doing the crochet method. I found this method on the internet that kind of well, on YouTube, the internet, whatever, that will make it look like individual what should I say, like individual parts instead of typical crochet, the typical crochet look. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about when I say the typical crochet look. I want to make it look, I don't want to say realistic, but yeah. I said I wanted to time how long it would take me to do this. I say 3 hours. So no, it's 9:07. So I'm gonna see. I'm gonna put it there. I started at like 9, so let's even it out. So I started at 9 p.m. sharp, and let's see how long. So 3 hours. I think it's gonna be longer than that, but I drank some coffee, so I should be good. The fact that I'm on the first row and I'm struggling. Oh Lord. Only God knows. I'm like 4 minutes in. Is killing me. When you me get myself in I swear. I don't know why I work bad. Me have work 7 o'clock in the morning. Like me have finish work 7 o'clock. That's the worst part. Oh, it's good. the parts, I just parted my hair in sections. That's what I'm supposed to say. So now I'm gonna put these in even smaller parts. Not gonna lie, you know, look too wonderful. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna continue because this is not the focus of it, right? Just gonna continue. So I've been working on the front part of it for about an hour and a half. I'm super tired, but you know, gotta get this done because I got work in the morning and I can't put this off. So yeah, this is how it's looking so far. It's not really neat, but I don't think it is. But just gonna keep going. So here you see me with the hair thread, and I'm sewing my hair, and that's because all of a sudden, I don't know what happened, my hair just started unraveling, and the only thing that I could have thought of at the time was to get the thread and the needle and just started sewing my hair, the parts that were unraveling to the parts that weren't, if that makes sense. So that's what you guys see me doing here. At this point, it was about 2:30 a.m. and I just had to stop and think about why I was doing this to myself. Like, seriously, what made it even worse was that my friend was in the room sleeping, and every time I turned sideways, she was just there. I was like, oh my gosh, that should be me right now. Those were my exact thoughts. I'm sure that you guys could see just how tired I was. Luckily, this was the last one, and after this, I only had to fill in the parts that looked a little bit scanty. By the way, I only kept this hair in for 1 week because I thought that I fixed the problem of my hair unraveling, but I didn't. And this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. Bye!